Good morning, students. Now we start chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life from bio. The fundamental unit of life means the basic unit of life. Yes, the basic structural and functional unit of life, that is cell. So here in this chapter we discuss about cell, its different types, their functions and their diagrams. First cell is discovered by Robert Hooke in 1965. He observes a thin slice of cork under his microscope. Cork means the outer covering of the plant, that is bark. He observed the small piece of bark under microscope and he find like that. You can see in the picture, he noticed that the cork has large number of small compartments joined together to form a honeycomb like structure. So, who called these little boxes cells? This is a single cell, and he also performed other activities like he observes the onion peel under microscopes or an animal cell under microscope. So he observes that all cells are joined in this way and they are the smallest unit of the whole organ. So the structure of cell is that which you already know in your earlier classes. The cell has a cell membrane. Membrane means the outer covering, you can see here, in which all the organelles bind. The cell, this cell membrane allows rigidity to the cell and protects the internal structure and cell membrane of the cell. So first is there is a cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like semi-fluid substance that lies between the cells. Here is ribosomes, which helps in protein synthesis. Next is nucleus, which is also called the control center of the cell. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they help in the transport of substances within the cell. Lysosomes, which are also called suicidal bags, means lysosomes digest own cell. Chloroplast, chloroplast is the green color pigment. It is because of the presence of chlorophyll. Cell wall, cell wall is the outer wall. Vacuoles, vacuoles are a clear space in the cell cytoplasm. They are present in plant cells and either in animal cells also. Golgi bodies, Golgi bodies is responsible for the concentration, means storage and secretion of substance from the cell. Nucleus, which is present in the center of the nucleus. Mitochondria produced energy from the oxidation of food, or it is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. So there are different types of cells which is present in our body, like neuron cell, you know very well the diagram also. White blood cells, red blood cells, intestine cells, bone cells, sperm cells, ovum. So they have different type of cells which are present in our body and perform different function. As you can see in this picture that stem cell Nervous cells is present in our brain. Yes, because of nerve cells, the eyes, nose, and each and every part are connected with each other with the help of nerve cells. Next is cardiac cells, which is present in our heart. They do continuous contraction and relaxation, rhythmic contraction and relaxation. Next is muscle cells, which are present in our muscles, hand muscles and bone muscles. Intestinal cells, which are present in our small intestine, liver cells, which are present in our liver, and so many others. They so each and every cells perform different function in our body, and they are responsible for performing different function.